The most important factor in building an online business is your subscribers list. Experts agree that a big list equals big money. The problem is assembling that audience. Let's be honest, you didn't start this journey just to play with tech and watch other people win online. You started because you wanted more. More freedom, more time, more income, without the hustle, confusion, or burnout. But instead, you've been drowning in courses, stuck rewriting content, buying tools that go nowhere, wondering, what am I missing? Well, what if we told you that the shortcut to online success is private label rights? Yep, it's that easy. PLR is a gold mine if you know how to use it right with today's technology. You are finally at the right place at the perfect time, because this system's going to show you exactly how to turn PLR into leads, sales, subscribers, and real income. Picture waking up tomorrow to new subscribers and sales without writing a single word, thanks to this fast-track PLR formula that shows you exactly how to grow a targeted list fast with zero fluff. You get list building with PLR, a $97 value. Discover how to turn one PLR product into a complete lead funnel that builds your list fast. No content creation needed. You get proper PLR profits, a $97 value. Learn the real strategy behind using PLR to create trust-building funnels that convert leads into buyers consistently. You get PLR enhancement, a $97 value. Transform generic PLR into branded high-converting assets that make you stand out without hiring a writer or designer. You get revamping PLR, a $97 value. See how to completely overhaul and repackage PLR into unique, high-value lead magnets and digital products that sell. As a bonus, you'll also get Artificial Intelligence PLR, another $97 value. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to rewrite, format, and funnelize your PLR in record time, even if you hate writing. And the best part is that you get 17 done-for-you products to implement the system, an $870 value. Instant content for your viral lead funnels, bonuses, and offers. The products all come with a full private label rights license, so you can use them however you want with no restrictions or royalties. And listen, we're giving you our 30-day no-risk money-back guarantee so you can try the whole system 100% risk-free. If it's not everything we promised, just ask. We'll give you a full refund. This package has a total value of over $1,599, and you're getting it for pennies on the dollar. Start building your list today with a system that actually works. You don't need to be a guru. You don't need to be tech-savvy. You just need the right system. And this is it. Click now to get instant access and join us in the members area.